What are some common use cases for Sequence?
Most common use cases, there's essentially, I'd say, two different types of groups that are using Sequence right now. You've got the hyper personal finance. I don't want to use the word hackers, but like the people who are really interested in personal finance optimization. Yes, very much into it. And some of the maps and sequences and rules they're creating are amazing. I mean, it is a spider web of logic, accounts, rules. It's pretty amazing. I will say though, for the average person, even myself, that's a little daunting because it takes a lot of thought and energy to understand and map and optimize to that way. But for those people, it's perfect. Like, this is the first solution that they've ever had that allows them to create that level of complexity and sophistication when it comes to managing their finances. I, on the other hand, and I think a good chunk of users as well, are more on the simple side of things. I just want to make sure that my rainy day fund is always at the certain level that I want it to be at. My emergency fund always has 6 months of reserves. And then I want to make sure that every single month I'm putting more money into my vacation fund or into the mountain house fund, and that I'm sending the appropriate amount of money to each of my fixed expenses, my fun money, and my future money. So in reality, it allows me to just realize, hey, I've said I have these goals. I want to make sure that I accomplish them. How much money do I need in each of these accounts to do that? And then literally with just a couple clicks, I create those rules and I don't have to think about it anymore. So my sequence map is actually quite a bit simpler than most. It's more of a waterfall, just making sure that the first money gets put into the rainy day fund. If that's full, then it goes into the emergency fund. If that's full, and it just keeps going on down. And always making sure to pay yourself first, because I think a lot of us out there tend to put all of our money into our checking account just because that's the most common way, right? When you start a new job, you give them your account information, they deposit your salary or your earnings in there. And then hopefully at the end of the month, you save some money.